For this recipe, you'll need green onions, garlic, about 4 tablespoons of sage, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of marjoram, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of celery seed. You'll need about 4 cups of mirepoix, so that's chopped carrots, onions, and celery. You'll need 1 green pepper that's been grated, so you'll need to grate a green pepper. You'll need breadcrumbs. You'll need 2 cups of self-rising flour. That is important. You will need self-rising flour. You'll need 2 cups of buttermilk substitute. You'll need 2 cups of vegetable oil. You'll need vegetable broth. Right now I have 2 quarts. You may need more than that, so have about 3 quarts of vegetable broth handy. You'll need white cornmeal. Again, this is important. You need white cornmeal. And then you'll need egg substitute. And I have a video that I made where I show how to make egg substitute. This egg substitute is arrowroot based, so it has absolutely no flavor, at least that I can detect. So it's not going to change the flavor of your food if you use it. And you will use salt and pepper to taste. Sauté half of the mirepoix in about a tablespoon of oil. Once the vegetables are done, cool down and set aside. Mix together the flour, the cornmeal, the buttermilk, the vegetable oil, and egg. After you've allowed your batter to mix, add in salt, your sage, and about half of your spice mix. You're gonna save the rest of the herb mix for later so that you can add it according to your taste preferences. Once the seasonings have been mixed, add in your vegetables. And then you will transfer it into a baking dish and bake it at 350 degrees. This should take about 45 minutes to an hour. When the bread is golden, you're going to take it out of the oven. You're going to let it cool for a little bit, but then transfer it into a large bowl and start to break up the bread. Then you'll add in vegetable stock, and this is going to let you moisten the bread and it's going to make it easier to stir. Once you've added enough vegetable stock that it's easy to stir, then start to add in all your vegetables, the green onions, the green peppers, and the remaining mirepoix. You may need to add in more vegetable stock to make it easier to stir. So just keep adding vegetable stock so that you're able to stir it. You need to keep tasting your cornbread dressing batter and make sure that the seasons and the spices are up to the level that you expect them to be. And then once you got it seasoned properly, then add in your breadcrumbs just to make sure that you absorb any extra moisture. And then once all that is mixed together, transfer into a baking dish and bake it at 350 degrees until it is golden brown. And that's how you make the cornbread dressing.